Did you know that one overlooked vitamin deficiency after age 60 can quietly reduce circulation in your legs and dramatically raise your fall risk without a single warning? And today, I'll reveal the 5 circulation-supporting vitamins most seniors unknowingly lack and how restoring them can help your legs feel stronger, warmer, and more alive. Let's explore the 5 vitamins that play a key role in circulation and lower leg comfort. Number 1, vitamin B3, niacin. One of the most important changes that happens with age is a drop in the body's ability to open blood vessels quickly when your legs need more oxygen. The tiny muscles inside your arteries become less responsive, making circulation less efficient. That's where B3 steps in. Niacin supports gentle widening of the blood vessels, helping warm blood reach your feet and calves. Many older adults notice fewer nighttime cramps, less heaviness during walking, and more steady warmth. It also supports healthy cholesterol patterns, which benefit long-term circulation. Although some people experience a temporary flushing sensation, this is simply a sign of increased vessel activity. Used in appropriate amounts, niacin offers reliable support for aging blood flow. Number 2, vitamin D3, known mostly for bone strength. D3 also plays a major role in how your legs move and feel. As the years pass, the skin produces far less D3 from sunlight, and this decline affects circulation more than most people realize. Low D3 stiffens the arteries, reduces nitric oxide availability, and weakens the muscles you depend on for balance. When levels are restored, many seniors report steadier steps, more confidence on stairs, and less fatigue during simple daily activities. D3 also supports the muscles that protect you from falls, something older adults must never overlook. Number 3, vitamin E. Circulation depends on more than open vessels. It also requires smooth blood movement. Vitamin E helps protect the delicate lining of your arteries from oxidative stress, which increases naturally with age. It also helps reduce minor blood stickiness, supporting smoother flow through the narrow capillaries of the feet and lower legs. Seniors often describe improved warmth, fewer cold sensations, and better comfort during walking once their vitamin E levels are supported. Moderation is key, especially for those using blood-thinning medications, but appropriate intake can be a powerful ally for vascular comfort. Number 4, vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen, the protein that keeps your blood vessels flexible and resilient. Without enough C, the structure of the vessels weakens, circulation slows, and the legs feel heavier or tighter. C also supports nitric oxide activity, helping vessels relax when your muscles demand more oxygen. Seniors with healthy C levels often experience warmer feet, faster healing, and fewer episodes of lower leg tightness. Number 5, vitamin K2-MK7. One of the quietest threats to circulation after 60 is calcium drifting into blood vessel walls, making them stiff and less able to expand. Vitamin K2-MK7 helps direct calcium back into the bones where it belongs, supporting softer, more flexible arteries. Over time, K2 helps older adults feel more agility, better warmth in the lower legs, and greater ease during walking. Bringing it all together, when these vitamins work together, they support circulation from several angles: vessel flexibility, oxygen delivery, muscle responsiveness, and long-term arterial health. Aging doesn't mean losing strength in your legs. With the right nutritional support, your body can regain much of the ease and warmth you may have been missing.